Just think about a situation. Very recently, Government of India has introduced the new education policy. And imagine a situation, audience, is technology going to replace the teacher? Is online education cost less? Do the students learn more or do the students learn less when you are online? And so on and so forth. So multiple facets are there. And when we talk about EduTech, it's not only about what happens in the classroom. It also needs to be addressed or seen from the perspective of the institutions that we are in. Are we going to change? Like one of the questions I've asked, is higher education moving towards from enrollment to subscription model? So there are multiple questions. I'm sure these questions are coming in my mind. I'm sure you will also have these questions.
Well, today we're going to talk a little bit about how do you reimagine learning? Actually, not just in the time of COVID. When I was discussing this with Mr. Pravath, he said, well, not just about COVID, after COVID too, and that's really true. So why does it become so important? Because the student that you're teaching today is very different. This is the 21st century learner. It's a picture of my daughter trying to study, and she's got multiple devices in front of her. Now, if you look at them, they're very different animals, so to say. They are, in a way, if you call them very distracted digital natives, many of us would be what we could call as digital immigrants.
I would think that eye contact is important, but much more important where you're exercising judgment or you're calling upon everyone to exercise judgment on a certain thing. And it's not entirely based on reason and numbers alone that you are taking a certain view.
Thank you, Professor P.D. Jose, Professor Sebastian Morris. Thank you very much for accepting our invite and being part of this panel. I really look forward to your inputs. It's a fabulous topic to be talking on everyone's mind.